I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're opening Windy for immediate use. Give the app location and notifications so forecasts update automatically. Tap the layer button and pick wind, rain, or satellite depending on what you track. This sets the visual focus. Then open settings to choose degrees C or degrees F and km/h or m/s because units change interpretation. Finally, star any location to save it and set refresh to 0. 5-hour for near real-time data. This gets you actionable weather now. Once you've set up, use the timeline at the bottom to scrub from hourly to a 10-day forecast and check model sources like GFS or ECMOF so you know why they differ. Stack layers, wind plus rain and waves, and adjust opacity to visually compare conditions. That helps you spot conflicts. Make sure to open the profiler to inspect vertical wind and temperature cross-sections because surface maps miss altitude structure. If you need precision, switch model, runs, and compare two models side by side for confidence. Finish by setting alerts for critical thresholds, wind above 20 m/s or rain over 10 mm, and choose push or email so you don't miss changes. If you're planning travel, use the route planner and export grid files for offline analysis, which is handy when you lose signal. Make sure to sync favorites and check update frequency. If forecasts look wrong, toggle the model source and force refresh the app. That usually resolves stale tiles or model lag. This single tip fixes most data problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.